To a lot of people, these terms AI, ML, and deep learning sound confusing. So, in this section, we will try to gain some clarity around these terms. Artificial intelligence can be loosely interpreted as incorporating human intelligence to machines. In a nutshell, AI is a all-encompassing concept that has been since 1950s, then followed by machine learning, which gained popularity by the 2000s, and now deep learning, which is promising to escalate the advancements of AI to another level. We humans develop intelligence by learning from multiple experiences. That can be, by reading books, or going through information on YouTube by video, or analyzing numbers using multiple tools like Google Analytics, Tableau, and others. Similarly, we also make machines learn by training them on multiple types of data. So, talking about data, we can broadly categorize data into two types. One is structured data and one is unstructured data. Structured data is a data which can be presented in a Excel format or a row column format like this. When we talk about unstructured data, it can be speech, image, video, or even messages, right? So now let's look at the journey of artificial intelligence through time. Back in early 2000, Google powered its search engine using machine learning algorithms, and similarly, Amazon powered its recommendation engine, and Bloomberg powered its ability to deliver news at speed. All right, but majority of these machine learning algorithms, or we can call them models, were trained on structured data, right? And they did not have much of an element of unstructured data to their model. So if we see early 2000, machine learning algorithms or models performed very well on structured data. They were able to perform as per the expectation on structured data, but their performance on unstructured data was limited. One of the biggest reasons for not such great performance on unstructured data was because of the limitation of the computing power available during that time. But with the advancement of technology in parallel computing and then in cloud computing came the new concept of deep learning, which had a tremendous impact on how machines learn from unstructured data. It basically gave the ability of machines to now interpret unstructured data in with far more accuracy as compared to what it was before. So now let's try to understand what is deep learning. So deep learning algorithms are roughly inspired by the information processing patterns found in human brain. So just as we use our brains to identify patterns and classify various type of information, deep learning algorithms can be taught to accomplish the same tasks for machines. And the question is, what is powering this deep learning concept is the concept of artificial neural network, which basically aims to imitate the way our brains make decisions. And for that reason, today we are able to identify multiple objects in a picture, and for that matter, also humans are being replaced by automatic bots to answer customer queries, and similar and something similar to Alexa, where they're answering normal queries also, right? Now I hope you have understood the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So today artificial intelligence is being adopted in multiple industries and within multiple industries across multiple functions. So I thought it would be important for you to also understand that the two fields of artificial intelligence which are being talked about. Okay, so one field is artificial general intelligence and the other one is artificial narrow intelligence. I would try to explain you the difference between both of them in terms of by using some examples. Okay, so artificial narrow intelligence is that field where the system can perform a specific function with very high precision or with very high effectiveness. Like in our case, we can see an Alexa can play a song as you request Alexa to play a song based on speech recognition and natural language processing. Similarly, a computer vision based product, which is looking to an employee attendance system, right, basically identifies an employee by its face. All right, then the third thing, like chatbot, which is answering customer queries on an automated basis, is a perfect examples of artificial narrow intelligence where they're performing a certain task with highest accuracy. On the other hand, when we talk about artificial general intelligence, the closest examples are, one is humanoids like robots, right, which have the ability to think and perform an action on the basis of their learning. Or the second example we can talk about is autonomous cars, right, where they're taking inputs from multiple sources to decide whether to take a left, right, whether to stop, or whether to increase their speed, and many other decisions. As of today, artificial general intelligence is still far away from achieving its goal of imitating the human brain. But you may never know, with such rapid advancement in technology, it may happen sooner than expected. Great. I hope you have gained a better understanding of the differences between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Although these terms are used interchangeably at many of the times, or at many of the places, but gradually as you develop your understanding of AI, you will be able to make a clear demarcation between all of them. Thank you.